Hello once again. Today we are doing vectors on a Vypython and trying to get the dot product as we did as usual. So in this video they want us to do the visualization of 3D on the Vypython, and they want us to find out like how we can do these Vypython stuff and get the dot product and prove our theories of the dot product. So you see you have a blue vector, red vector, yellow vector, and the green vector. To find out what you want to do, and I'm rotating this one so you can see the other side as well, and what I have as the vectors for this question. So you just print the vectors with the computers. We're just going to use the print option for the Python language, and then we go to vector A dot vector B, and then select dot of these two vectors, print it for me, and it's going to come in -20. Well, the reason for that will be the vector B is this green one, and the vector red is this one is an acute one. I'm sorry, obtuse one. So because there's an obtuse angle, that's dot product is going to be negative. It's going to print us first in the Python language for the programming and stuff like that. Now, I don't know what the issue of the Vypython is, but I'm pretty sure the green and blue one, which I think the blue one is, if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be the yellow and the blue one, which that's supposed to be 90 degrees. Like, I draw that two vectors exactly look like 90 degrees, but the problem is I do not know why it's 20. This is supposed to be 0. The dot product says if they have 90 degrees, the cosine of the 90 degrees is supposed to be 0. So dot product should be 0 here. I don't understand the mechanism for that one. Same with the blue and the green one that we had for the print. I forgot what to call. I think the green one is the D one, so it's probably C and D, which is the last one over there. Which, for some reason, I don't know why it says -25 for that. That's supposed to be 0 as well. Yeah, I make it exactly 90 degrees. Because don't believe it. That's literally exactly 90 degrees for me. We'll see like how they shoot later on. Vector. So we get the obtuse, we get the 90 degrees for you guys. Now comes with the yellow and the red one. As you can see, it's an acute angle. The acute angle is supposed to be a positive one, which I'm pretty sure if you vector A, which is the yellow one, and vector C, that would be this one. Okay, that one makes sense when it's 20. That's positive 20 because that's acute angle. It's supposed to be positive. And now we have scalar. These numbers that you see for dot product and whatever we have for magnitude and the components, these are, we call it a scalar because a scalar is a number. It doesn't really have any units to it, but this is scalar is a random number they put in for whatever direction or whatever magnitude, stuff like that. But vector is going to be these that we draw. So these are going to be vectors for us to find out, and then we're going to use that in Vypython for having a vector A function. So I can have vector alley, and then now it goes to vector. The first one's going to be X, Y, Z. So you're going to put those in and get a vector of just the red one over there. Same thing we can do with the have to give it an arrow also for the code. You have to say arrow position is that one. That's the axis I want it to be. And then you can give it a color, which I'm pretty sure the color I gave vector A is a red color. Yes, it is. I mean, that's the professor gave me, but I just add C and D, to be honest. So those are the function that I have on my list for those vectors. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed the programming and the Python. Greedy Pythons, that's how we can do. This is actually supposed to be a videos that help understand students about dot product, and we use the dot product and Python to kind of get towards that step. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and see you guys in next videos.